Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss header files in C programming. So let's get started. A header file is a file with .h extension which contains C function declarations and macro definitions that are to be used in one or more source files. Actually, including a header file is equal to copying the code of the header file to the program. But it is not a good idea to copy the content of a header file in the source files if we have multiple source files in a program. In C or C++ program, we keep all the constants, macros, global variables and function prototypes in the header files and include that header file wherever it is required. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the types of header files. Guys, there are two types of header files: system defined header files and user defined header files. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of these header files. Both the user and the system header files are included using the preprocessive directive #include, and it has the following two forms. This is the first form, and this form is used for system header files, and it searches for a file named header file in a standard list of system directories. Now we are going to discuss next form, and this is the second form for user defined header files, and it searches for a file named header file in the directory containing the current file. #include is the first word of any C program. It is also known as preprocessor. The task of a preprocessor is to initialize the environment of the program or to link the program with the header files required. So when we say #include angle bracket stdio.h close angle bracket, it is inform the compiler to include the stdio.h header file to the program before executing it. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss list of header files that we are going to use in C programming. Guys, this is the first header file stdio.h that is used for input output functions, and this is the second header file conio.h that is used for console input output functions, and stdlib.h is the header files for general utility functions. Math.h header file is used for mathematical functions. String.h is used for string functions, and ctype.h is used for character handling functions, where time.h is used for date and time functions. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.